In today's video, I'll show you how to save a project as a template in Asana. If you've built a project structure you love, maybe for client onboarding or a monthly sprint, a template lets you and your whole team spin up new projects from it in seconds. Let's jump in. First, from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project I want to turn into a template. I'm going to click on my test project here to open it up. Now, with the project open, look up at the top, right next to the project name. There's a small drop-down arrow there which opens the Actions menu. I'll click that arrow now. In this menu, you'll see all the project level options, and the one we're after is right here, Save as Template. I'll click on that now. And this opens the new template window. On the left, you can see the title of the template, already filled in with your project's name, and below that a Template Access drop-down, where you decide whether your whole team can edit it. On the right, Asana shows you a nice preview of what the template will look like. One thing worth knowing, down at the bottom it tells you that a few things won't be copied over, like completed tasks and your notes. Your original project keeps all of those, of course. When you're happy with the settings, click the blue Create Template button on the left. I'll do that now. And here we are inside the template builder. This is where Asana really shines. You can fine-tune the template's default tasks, assignees, and due dates, and notice how the due dates have changed into relative timing, like 2 days after the project starts, which is exactly how a good template should work. When everything looks right, I'll click the blue Done button in the top right corner to finish up. And that's it, the template is saved. From now on, whenever anyone on your team creates a new project, this template will be right there to choose from. So to recap, open your project, click the Actions arrow, choose Save as Template, name it and set access, click Create Template, fine-tune anything you like, and hit Done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.